Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now today, in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano or how to install Microsoft Office Suite 2021 for free. If you're interested, watch this video. Okay, eto na. So this is it. I'm going to do a fresh install of Microsoft Office Suite 2021 in my freshly installed Windows 11. This is a stripped down Windows 11. For those of you who was not able to watch my previous video, okay, so this is stripped down, meaning it doesn't has all the bloatware. So that is on my other video. If you're interested, just go ahead and watch my other video. Now, as you can see, I'm just showing you the application that's already installed, and there's no Microsoft Office. Because what I'm going to do, I just found out a hack where we can install Microsoft Office 2011 for free. So if you're interested, just follow me right here. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, so first, moment. Okay, so let's start by opening up Google, and then on Google search engine, let's type in Office customization tool. Let's click on it, and then just tell me if I'm going way too fast. You can slow down the video. Okay, so let's open up Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. Then, as you can see, there's this. This is a Microsoft Office. This is a Microsoft page, and then click on Create. It is located at the lower left hand bottom part. And then, okay, let's click on. Let's choose 64-bit, and then under Office Suite, let's choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume Licenses or license. Okay, if you're using Visio, you have other projects and additional products that you want to choose, it is time for you to click on it now. And then under apps, we do have also the option to choose what are the applications that you would like to be included on the Office Suite that we're going to install. Now, I don't use Access, but I'm going to install it anyways. And Teams, well, I'm not going to install it here. I do have the option to install it later, but for now, I'm not going to choose it. And also OneDrive Desktop, I won't be needing that. And then let's click on Next. Okay, and then primary language. So we need to choose a language. I will be choosing English. If I wanted to add my local language, which is Tagalog or Filipino, I can add to this one additional language if I wanted to, but I can do that later. So let's click on Next. Okay, and it says installation option. I'll just leave it as is. Okay, click on Next, and then okay, right here, let's say if you have already Microsoft Office installed in your computer, you can leave this on, and then it will automatically remove the Microsoft Office suite that is already installed in your computer. Now, in my case, like I mentioned earlier, this is a newly installed, there's a fresh installed Windows 11, so there's nothing for me to uninstall. Okay, so click on Next, and then make sure that under Product Key, this says Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume Licenses. The KMS is clicked, and then click on Next, and then right here under General, you can provide your organization name to set the company property on the Office document. So it's up to you. If you want to add something here, provide description, it's up to you. But in my case, this is for personal use. I'm just going to click on Next, and then application preferences, just leave it as is, and then click on Finish. Once we have everything's clear now, let's go to the upper right hand corner and click on Export, and this will open up a pop-up box. Let's click on the second option that says Office Open XML Formats, and then click on OK. And then it will open up another box again, or pop-up box. Just click on I accept. terms in the license agreement, and then click on export. Then it will download a configuration.xml file. So let's go to that file. Usually it falls under download, so it's up to you where you download your files. I'll copy this one, Control C, or just to show to you. So highlight and then Control C, and then under C drive, I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, so it says new folder. That's it. And then moving on, once we have already created the new folder, and then click on that. One moment. Let's open up. Let's go back to Google. Okay, and then the next that we're going to open to search is Office Deployment Tool. There you go. It says here, MS Office Deployment Tool. Okay, and then let's click on the first link, and then in the middle part there's there's an orange box that says download, and click on it, and then it will open up Office Deployment. It will download, of course. So let's go to it, right click, and then let's click on Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes, and then click click here, or let's just accept the Microsoft Server class. Now it will again open up another pop-up box. Then let's go to this PC, let's go to the C drive, and then let's make another folder. Now let's name it Office, and OK, and then click on OK, and then it will extract the files again. And then let's go to that folder that we created. Remember this, Office, and then click on and right click on the setup, and then just copy it, or Control C. Okay, copy, and then let's go again. Let's go back to the C drive, and then go to the new folder. Control V. Okay, now one moment. Where did the copy? My bad, I was not able to copy it. Okay, so there you go. So I have the configuration.xml and then the setup. Now what we're going to do now, okay, let's go to, again, let's open up Google, and then let's open up Office Deployment Tool 2021, and then click on the first link. Okay, now we're going to copy this. It says install Office LSC using deployment. So it says here setup /configure configuration.xml. Now, to some who may know, it says console, or this is the command prompt. And what we're going to do now, let's open up our command prompt by hitting the Windows key on your keyboard, and then type in CMD, and it will open up command prompt. It will show up your option to open up command prompt, but instead of clicking open, click Run as Administrator, and then it will ask you to allow this app to make changes to your device. So just click on Yes. Then the next thing that we're going to do is type in CD here. Okay, just click on CD. Now we need to tell the Windows or the command prompt where our new folder is located. So let's go back to this PC if it's not yet open in your screen. So go to C drive, and then copy this one. It's a C colon new folder. Just right click on it, click on copy. So that is the path where our setup and configuration.xml is. Then right click, and you will see, or sorry, left click, and it will automatically paste the path of your new folder that we have created under C drive. Now click on enter, and automatically it says C colon / new folder. Okay, then the next thing that we have to do now is we need to go back to this page, and then we need to make sure to copy the setup /configure Okay, one moment. Just to make sure that I am copying the right one, because first time that tried to install this one, it says I was able to click this one that says setup backslash download. No, we need to click on setup backslash configure space configuration.xml, click on copy, and then right click, and it will paste automatically the configuration.xml. So let's click on enter, and there you go. It is going to install Microsoft Office for free in your Windows 11. So let's just wait for it. Just give it a few seconds. So make sure that you have a fast internet connection, I should say, in order for us to be able to use or to install this properly. Okay, so it's just excited. So this is the first time that I did this properly. Okay, because earlier when I tried, I pasted on the wrong command, and it did not push through, and now it's going. So we need to make sure that it installed the Microsoft Office 2021, and this is installed. I'm installing it in my Microsoft Windows 11. This is the stripped down version of Windows 11. So this is real time. I'm not doing any editing or forwarding the video. Okay, so this is real time, because I believe my internet connection is not that fast, but still, hey, it's downloading. And just please stay online while Office downloads. So once it's downloaded, I'm guessing it will just continue with the setup. Let's give it a few more seconds.
What are you doing, man? We gotta kick a beat a while.
And next time on my next video, I'm going to show you how to use your mobile phone as an extended monitor or an extended monitor for your Windows 11. Okay, but for now, I'm excited to install Microsoft Office 2011 in my Windows 11 setup. Looks like I'm liking Windows now. Oh, it says installation finished. Your Office product is now completely installed. You can now, but okay, as you can see at the right hand. Oh, nice. So let's see. I'll close this one now. And as you can see earlier, I showed you all the application that's installed in my computer. So there's no Microsoft Office. So let's see. Oh, I have the Outlook, I have the Publisher. Where's Microsoft Word? There you go. Let's try and open up Microsoft Word. And I click on accept. Let's close. Ooh, there you go. That's right. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, there you go. So there you have it. I was able to install, and this is free. Though I haven't. This is a fresh install. We'll see if it will try to ask me for any activation, but based on this, it seems like it will not be asking for any activation key. And let's try the Excel file and the Excel. Oh, why not? Let's type it here. Oh, there you go. Excel is opening. So now I can use the Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel for free in my in Windows 11 that I just installed, and it's working, and now it's free, and it all comes from Microsoft, and I did not download it from any sketchy website. Okay, now there you have it. Now if you let me just okay, so there you have it. If let's say if you like this video, and you can thank me, okay, you can thank me for by simply subscribing to my channel and clicking on the like button, and also don't forget to share this video to your friends who is in need of Microsoft Office in their computer. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you all in my next video, okay?